I'm here with Makartt to create a really cute and fun look using the new Sweet Cravings Collection. So if you guys want to see the finished look, keep on watching.
They say a drunk mind speaks over thoughts. So baby, what are you saying? Gotta tell me one thing. When you take them shots, but the next day you're just playing. Now baby, I don't need my time wasted. If you don't want me, then just say yes, instead of calling up my phone when you've been drinking all night long. You're gonna act like you ain't saying. You're gonna act like it's a lie. You tryna play with my emotions, but that drink, babe, doesn't lie. So drink it up. I wanna know what's on your mind. So drink it up. Want you to tell me that you're mine. So drink it up. Tell me you love me once again. So drink it up. I wanna know what you're thinking. So drink it up. So drink it up.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys like the finished look. If you guys want to see more videos, you can follow me at Manifest Makeup. If you want to shop this collection, go ahead and go to Makartt.com.